Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK and Toys channel. Today's, we will show you Gundam plastic models, custom build by Raihaku. MG-1100, GN001R Gundam Exia Repair. The GN001RE Gundam Exia Repair is the shoddily repaired version of the GN001 Gundam Exia in Season 2 of Mobile Suit Gundam 00. It is piloted by Setsuna FCA. Technical specifications of Gundam Exia Repair. Classification: Custom Close Quarters Combat Mobile Suit. Model number: GN001RE. Official name: Gundam Exia Repair. Head height: 18.3 meter. Base weight: 50.9 metric ton. Power source: GN drive. Armor material: E-carbon. Propulsion system: GN verniers. Crew: pilot only, in cockpit and torso. Finally, this is MG-1100, GN001R Gundam Exia Repair, custom built by Raihaku. For more information, go to http://arasukakobo.blog.fc2.com. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribers GMK and Toys channel.